In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rotating text animation in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, looping rotation effect you can apply to titles, callouts, or any short phrase to make your designs feel more dynamic. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in so your work saves automatically. From the home page, look to the left and click on Templates, then choose Poster. This gives you a nice large canvas to work with. Click Create Blank to open a fresh empty design. Now let's add your text. In the left sidebar, click the Text tab. Choose a heading or add a basic text box to your canvas, and type the word or phrase you want to rotate. Short, bold words usually read best when they're spinning, but use whatever fits your project. If you need to reposition it, just drag it where you want on the page and resize as needed. Click directly on the text so that a bounding box appears around it. This tells Canva which element you want to animate. With the text selected, look to the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens the animation panel on the left. In the animation panel, scroll through the options until you reach the Add-on Effects category. Find the one called Rotate and click it. As soon as you select Rotate, the effect will be applied to your text. If you don't see it right away, make sure the text box is still selected and keep scrolling. Some effects are grouped and can be easy to miss. With Rotate active, you'll see controls for speed and direction. Use the speed slider to go slower for a subtle, elegant spin, or faster for a more eye-catching movement. Direction lets you choose clockwise or counterclockwise. Clockwise tends to feel more conventional, while counterclockwise can give a playful or unexpected touch. Adjust these until the motion matches the tone of your design. If your text becomes hard to read at higher speeds, slow it down slightly or consider shortening the phrase. When you're ready to check the motion, click the preview icon in the top right corner next to Print with Canva. This shows you exactly how the rotating text will look in action. If anything feels off, close the preview, tweak the speed or direction, and preview again until it feels just right. Now that's it. Your rotating text animation in Canva is set. Keep your phrase concise, your speed readable, and your direction intentional, and you'll get a polished professional effect every time.